Namaste. In this video, we will look at hierarchies and how to create hierarchies in Tableau. Now, what is a hierarchy first of all? Well, it is basically a, an ordered set of columns. For example, in a continent, I have many different countries, and in each country, I have many different states, and in each state, I have many different cities, and even in each city, I have many different districts or whatever you can call them. Okay, so this is a hierarchical structure, right? And this is what we'll be doing in Tableau with our FIFA 21 dataset. Now, it is a little bit different in our FIFA 21, but we'll see how it is. Now, first of all, I have connected to this Teams dataset as well. So I just came here and added a connection to an Excel file, and this is the Teams dataset, and I have connected both of these and related both of these tables onto the ID column. But there was a little problem. In our original data, players data, the ID column was a ABC column, which was a string column, and in the Teams table, the ID column was a hash, that is a number column. Okay, so in order to connect these two, I had to convert this ID, the number ID, by coming here, edit relationship calculation, and converting it to a string of ID. Okay, so in that way I have connected these two tables, and now let us see what hierarchy is possible and how to do hierarchies in Tableau. So now first of all, my highest level of hierarchy is the name of the country where each club is playing football. Okay, and in each country I have many different leagues. Now it will be much more clearer when I draw the visualizations here. Okay, so just bear with me for a moment. Now in each country I have many different leagues, so I'll just drag this league over this country. Okay, and it will ask me to create a hierarchy. I can either do it this way, or I can click on the country here and click on hierarchy, create hierarchy, and give the name of, say, hierarchy levels. Okay, now in this hierarchy levels I have one column of country, and now in each country I have many different leagues where football is played. So I'll drag this league column and drop this below country. Okay, I can drop this above country as well, but I'll drop this below country because in each country I have different leagues, and in each league I have many different clubs who play against each other. Okay, and in each club I have many different players who play for that club. So I'll come here, and in this name I'll click on hierarchy, add to hierarchy, and add to this hierarchy levels. Okay, so now I have these 4 levels of hierarchy in my dataset, and I can very easily drag this pill onto the rows shelf. Okay, now I'll just remove this null, because null means that these players are free agents and they do not play for any club, and hence the data is missing for those players. Now I have only those players who play for their clubs. Okay, now if I click on this plus symbol here, I drill down to the league level. Okay, so in each country I can now see which leagues are present. For example, in England I have 4 different leagues, in France I have 2, Germany I have 3. Now in each league, if I want to see all the names of the clubs, I click on this plus symbol, and now in each league I have all the names of the clubs who play football for that particular league. For example, in England I had 4 different leagues, right? So English League Championship 2, these all clubs play there. English League 1, these all clubs play there, etc. Okay, now in each club, if I want to see who all players play for that club, I can click on this plus symbol again, and this will drill down further, and now within each club as well I have many different players. Okay, so this is how we can manually create the hierarchies. Now in the case of a date column, for example, in the case of this joined column, which is a calendar, which is a date column right now, if I drag this here, it will automatically give me the lowest level of aggregation. Okay, so I have only the years here, but I know that in the original data, in the date column I had month, date and year. Okay, but here it is only showing me the year part, because it is automatically doing the hierarchy in the case of a date column. Okay, so if I click this plus symbol, it will drill down to the each quarter in those years. So 1998 I had only one quarter where the player joined a particular club. Okay, if I click this plus again, it will drill down further to the month. So in each quarter, for example in 2005 quarter 3, I had 3 months where players joined their clubs. If I drill down again, it will give me the exact date on which those players signed. Okay, and if I click this minus sign here, it will collapse everything and I'll get back the original form. Okay, so this is how the hierarchies work. And if you want, you can, and now if I show you, hierarchies have their own place on the data pane. So you see here the players data is a table, teams is a table, and hierarchy levels is another different pill within which I have all the levels here. Okay, and I can very easily just remove this hierarchy as well if I do not want it.